Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Twitter Space for beginner. First, open your Twitter app and go to plus icon in the bottom right corner. And then there is an option and then click space. Now you can give a title for your space. Let's say I will type test, and then you can add topics. Let's say I will choose sports like this and save. Then also you can record the space. You can turn it on, and if you want to allow incognito you can also turn it on. And now you can start your space, and you can invite someone. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.